A new study reveals teenagers and young adults who vape face a higher risk of contracting COVID-19, and it's not a small increase in that risk. That's according to researchers at the Stanford University of Medicine. Stephanie LaChance breaks down this new discovery and why some say it's still worth the risk.
I spoke to one person that told me that vaping is a healthier alternative to smoking. He says that although he doesn't recommend teens start vaping, he says it's helped save his life. Teens who vape may now face an even greater risk of catching the coronavirus. That's according to a new Stanford University study.
And inhaling other stuff in there on top of that puts you at a compromised respiratory state.
And young people are finding ways around laws, preventing them from buying e-cigarettes.
Online, Snapchat, all these small apps that most of the youth are using today, that's usually where these purchases happen.
Dimitri Agrafiotis is the executive director of Tennessee Smoke-Free Association. He represents 80 vape stores all over Tennessee, and he says kids aren't getting their products in stores, they're going to social media for them.
It has been very proactive in trying to keep these products away from the hands of the youth.
He says he turned to vaping to get off of cigarettes.
This offers them an alternative for less harmful products.
That Stanford study shows teens and young adults who were tested and admitted to using e-cigarettes were 5 to 7 times more likely to be infected than non-users.
About 4,000 teens, and they found that children who vaped were, like you said, 5 to 7 times more likely to have COVID-19, but also between 3 and 9 times as likely to need to get tested.
Experts say there could be several reasons vaping heightens the risk, including e-cigs damaging lungs and making coronavirus exposure trigger an infection.
Particles that you inhale down into your lung, because you do inhale the particles, your lungs trying to fight and clean up those particles.
However, they say there is more research needed to fully understand the medical relationship between coronavirus and vaping. Erlanger in the Hamilton County Health Department told me that they have resources to help teens combat vaping and smoking addiction. If you want to check out these resources, head to our website at NewsChannel9.com. Reporting in Hamilton County, I'm Stephanie LaChance, News Channel 9.